So I think I f***ed up my YouTube channel, and here's why. So for the past 4 years, I've dedicated my channel to teaching people different techniques and how to create digital art and Procreate. But recently, I leaned into more of a traditional route, and I created a couple of images using Copic markers and Uhu markers. I think that was a big mistake. The algorithm made an example out of me, and it pushed me further and further and further away from my niche and my audience. So my viewership went down, my subscriber numbers went down, and the growth of my channel became a little bit stagnant. Now, I'm the type of person that uses the analogy glass half full and not half empty. So I thought this was a perfect opportunity to reinvent myself in this debacle of a transition. As much as I love digital art, I truly feel like traditional art's always been embedded in the fabric of who I am as an artist. And I think this would be the time to really show that. So I think I have a perfect idea where I want to bridge the gap between traditional and digital art.
Nice.
And show that they can live in the same space together and create different opportunities and challenges to not only encourage you, but to keep the channel going. You know, I feel like you lose focus and you lose energy and momentum when you're doing the same thing over and over and over again. Hopefully that can change the trajectory of where this channel should go. Now, if you watch this video to this point, here's my advice to you. It's okay to restart. It's okay to refresh, rebrand, whatever you want to do to get the momentum back. You don't have to niche down. You can always expand. I mean, you can pivot, you know, if you want to stay within the same realm, but you don't want to be directly in one lane. You know, you can always change lanes, but you're still on the same highway, if that makes sense. Now, even for me, I know there won't be much growth right away, but this is the chance for me to forge my own path and hopefully kind of motivate everyone else around me to do the same thing. And trust me, you are not alone. I'm literally doing that as we speak. So if you feel frustrated and things aren't clicking like you want them to, it's part of the process. Just keep the ball rolling. Now, if you have any advice for me, or you have a similar experience you're going through with your channel or just in life in general, feel free to drop your testimonial in the comments and we'll talk. It don't gotta be too personal. Whatever you're comfortable with sharing, I'm willing to hear and respond. Well, that's all I have to share. If this inspired you by any means to restart and redevelop however you want to, go for it. Trust me, you're not alone. Let's do this together. And yeah, check out a couple of these videos where I show my traditional art skills. So hopefully that can win you over and you'll keep watching. All right, till next time, peace.